Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients to create a delicious, homemade gravy that tastes just like your favorite fast food version. This easy method ensures a rich, savory sauce perfect for any meal. We'll walk through each step, from creating a flavorful base to achieving that perfect, smooth consistency. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this incredible, easy-to-make gravy. To begin, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, gradually whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, creating a smooth paste known as a roux. Continue cooking this mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly. This step is crucial for developing a deep, nutty flavor and removing any raw flour taste, giving your gravy a beautiful golden brown color. Now, it's time to add the liquids. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of chicken broth and 1 cup of water into your roux. This slow addition helps prevent lumps, ensuring a silky smooth gravy. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of beef bouillon to enhance that signature savory depth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, continuing to whisk until it reaches your desired thick and creamy consistency, which usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, taste your perfectly thickened gravy and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Your homemade, rich and savory gravy is now ready to enjoy. It pairs wonderfully with creamy mashed potatoes, crispy fried chicken, or even biscuits. This easy recipe brings that classic flavor right to your table. And speaking of enhancing, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to bring your space to life.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.